For today's video, I'm going to help teach you guys how to build an awesome mini ramp at home for pretty much little to no cost. I have spent about 140 bucks right now just on plywood. Everything else has been completely free. So I'm going to help teach you guys how to build an awesome mini ramp. If you are new to the channel and you like the content, make sure you go ahead and leave a thumbs up, you comment down below, and you subscribe to the channel. There's about 93% of you that watch my videos and you're not subscribed. In order to enter my giveaways, that's how you have to enter. So like, comment, and subscribe. Those are the 3 things that I ask just for my giveaways, and that's all you need to do to win an awesome complete skateboard. Let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see for this month. I do have one complete that I'm going to be getting from Quest Skateboards. They are this month's sponsor, I would say. They actually reached out to me and I'm able to save you guys 5% off on a complete skateboard. So use the link down in the description below and the code that I have down below, and that way if you want to get an awesome skateboard that's built here in the United States, it's actually in the state of California, then you can actually save 5% off on your first board. I will be purchasing a Quest skateboard so I can kind of review it, and then also so I can give it away on the channel. And then I'll also be trying to do another local skate shop complete if I'm able to. If not, we're gonna have to postpone it until the next month. But regardless, what do you guys want to see for this month's giveaway besides just that Quest skateboard complete? But anyway, that's enough rambling and talking, so let's just jump into today's video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Well, I'm running out of light, as you can tell. The sun's going down behind my house, and I'm exhausted. This battery's almost dead. The battery in the camera over there is dead. My GoPro's dead. I don't know what happened, but everything just died. I don't know if it's a cold or what. I did have everything charged, and it still died, so that sucks. This one's actually almost out of memory, too. There's something wrong with this SD card, so I'll probably have to get another one. I'm tired. I'm worn out. I hit my hand like 4 times, so I'm kind of done with today. Let's look at the ramp, kind of see where we're at. So this is just the start of it. I'm a little worried it's gonna be kind of steep right there, but I did do that little trick to give me like the perfect incline. So hopefully that'll be good. Again, I am a little bit worried, but it might work out. As you saw in the video, I did go ahead and include this metal railing. That way, whenever I put the plywood down on top, I am doing more support stuff here and here, but when I put the plywood, it should just sit right up on top of it instead of sitting over it. So hopefully that works, and then same here, just gonna come up to like right here. That's the plan anyway. I'm really liking the way it looks. I'm running out of pieces. I do have more pallet wood there and more pallet wood there, but again, I'm just trying to keep this as cheap as possible, and all of this so far has been almost 100% free except for the plywood. Plywood was like 141 bucks, and I've got 4 sheets of it. This is just 1 sheet. The other one I cut is in there, and there's 2 more in there. So but yeah, like I said, I am pretty worn out and pretty tired, so I'm just gonna call it today. I worked a full-time job and did this for about 4 or 5 hours, so I'm completely worn out, and I think we're gonna do this on another video. So this is just the start of it. I'm gonna have a series every single week until it's finished, and then whenever it is finished, we're gonna go ahead and do building a mini ramp in like 10 minutes or something, which is just gonna be a giant time lapse, I guess. I don't know. We'll see how that goes, but I had a lot of fun building it. I haven't built a mini ramp actually at all. I've only built quarter pipes before, so I'm really interested to see how this turns out. But again, that's gonna be it for today's video, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Later, guys.